रक्षांसि यत्रोग्रविशाश्च नागाः यत्रारयो दस्युबलानि यत्र दावानलो यत्र तथाब्धिमध्ये तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपासि विश्वम्। रक्षांसि यत्र ugravishaha is a compound word. Yatrogravishaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to shu there. Cha. Ugravishascha because of sandhi. Nagaha. Yatra arayaha. Yatrarayaha because of sandhi. It becomes yatrarayo again because of sandhi. Dasyubalani is a compound word. Yatra. Davanalaha is a dava analaha becomes davanalaha. This is a compound word. It becomes davanalo because of sandhi. Yatra tatha, second thas mahapranaha. Abdhi madhye is a compound word. Both dhas mahapranaha. Tathabdhi madhye because of sandhi. Tatra sthita, thi is mahapranaha. Tvam paripasi vishwam. Rakshamsi yatrogravishaश्च नागाः yatrarayo dasyubalani yatra davanalo yatra tathabdhi madhye tatra sthita tvam paripasi vishwam. Vishveshwaritvam paripasi vishwam vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam Vishveshavandya bhavati bhavanti Vishwashraya ye tvai bhakti namraha. Vishwa Ishwari. Vishweshwari is a compound word. The E in the end is short. Tvam paripasi vishwam. Vishwa atmika. Vishwatmika is a compound word. Dharayasi. Dhamaha pranaha. Iti. Dharayasi iti because of sandhi. Vishwam. Vishwa Isha. Vishvesha Vandya is a compound word. Bhavati. Bhamaha pranaha. Bhavanti. Bhamaha pranaha. Vishwa Ashraya. Vishwashraya is a compound word. Ye Tvai Bhakti Namraha is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranaha. Vishveshwaritvam paripasi vishwam Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam Vishveshavandya bhavati bhavanti Vishwashrayaye tvai bhakti namraha. Devi prasida paripalaya nori bhitehe nityam yathasuravadhadadhunaiva sadyaha papani sarvajagatam prashamam nayashu utpata pakajanitamscha mahopasargan. Devi, E is short there because of Sambodhana. Prasida paripalaya naha aribhitehe is a compound word. Bhas mahapranaha. Nori bhitehe because of sandhi. Nityam yatha thamaha pranaha. Asura vadhat is a compound word. Vadha dhas mahapranaha. Yathasura vadhat because of sandhi. The th in the end changes to d because of sandhi. Adhuna dhamaha pranaha. So yathasura vadhadadhuna because of sandhi. Eva yathasura vadhadadhunaiva because of sandhi again. Sadyaha. Papani sarvajagatam is a compound word. Prashamam naya ashu. Nayashu because of sandhi. Utpata pakajanitan is a compound word. Cha. Utpata pakajanitamscha because of sandhi. Maha upasargan. Mahopasargan is a compound word. Devi prasida paripalaya nori bhitehe nityam yathasuravadhadadhunaiva sadyaha पापानि सर्वजगतां प्रशमन्नयाशु उत्पातपाकजनितांश्च महोपसर्गान् प्रणतानां प्रसीद त्वं देवि विश्वार्तिहारिणि त्रैलोक्यवासिनामीड्ये लोकानां वरदा भव प्रणतानां प्रसीद त्वं देवी is short Vishwa Arti Vishwarti Harini is a compound word. The E in the end is short there. Trailokya is a compound word. Idye Trailokya Vasinamidye Lokanam Varada Bhava Bhamaha Pranaha Pranatanam Prasidatvam Devi Vishwartiharini Trailokyavasinamidye Lokanam Varada Bhava